Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 tips for getting started with an online business. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and how to start your own online business. So if you're looking for a way to start business, check out this channel because on here, I give you tips, I give you tricks, and I give you guys some ways how you can go out there and crush it using the online space. And let me know where you're watching this video from in the comments area by just letting me know. So type in the comments area. I always like to know how far my videos are trending. And for my regulars, happy to have you here and welcome back to another great video. Now, most people online or here on YouTube, they don't talk about these things. Now, everybody come on here, everybody want to make money, everybody want to start an online business, but they don't know the fundamentals, they do not know the basics of how everything works. So this video, I'm going to share with you from my experience and also what I've seen from other people in the industry as well. Because when I just get started, I didn't have a clue of knowing where to go. I don't know left or didn't know right. But with a great mentor and someone who can guide me, I then eventually, try to figure out. But what if you don't have money to spend on a mentor? You don't have money to, to put on courses and all the type of stuff. Now, this video is going to help you and it's going to make perfect sense. And as you practice and as you go about starting your own online business, you're going to find out and you're going to realize that these 5 tips for getting started with an online business is essential, and there are key things that you must do. So the first thing you have to do, whether you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLM, whatever space that you're in, coaching, consulting, or you're going to start a business, the very first thing you have to do, you have to have a personal brand. You got to have a personal brand, and everybody wants to have a personal brand, and here's why. Because brands will stay forever, and you want to make sure that you stick out and you want to be different from everybody else. Why do people join people? Because of the value that you give and about the information that you deliver. Now, building a personal brand, you want to build Andre Miller. Like for me, you come on here, you know me from YouTube. Some of you probably know me from Facebook or Instagram, because I have different platforms. Now, you have to be distinct and you have to be original. Now, you're not going to go out there and do, things that you're not supposed to do, but you want to be a brand itself. Why people should do business with you. You should stand out. And what is a brand? That's the first thing. Now, how do I build a personal brand, Andre? The way how to build a personal brand is by providing value. You always have to provide value to the marketplace. The more value, the more content, the more information that you give to the marketplace, the more they see your content out there, the more they're going to attract to you. Now, most people, they don't want to do videos. You could go do a blog. You could write blog. It's the same thing. A blogging, doing blog is the same thing as providing value. You're writing content every single day, or every single week, or every single month. So the more you put content out there, the more your audience are going to know you, and they say, wow, this person, I've known them over a certain amount of period of time. Now I decide I want to do business with them. So once you provide enough value to the marketplace, eventually they're going to trust you. And then once they trust you, they want to do business with you. It's a like, know, and trust factor. It is normal. When I just get started, and so is all the big people on YouTube or wherever you see them, what we did, we just start off by putting out value out there. The more value, the more content, the better it is, because people will like you for you. They will probably don't like me. They will not like the other person, but they will like you because they can connect with you and they can relate through whatever you're sharing with them. So don't be afraid to provide value, and then they're going to like and trust you. Now, the next thing, after you start doing that, guess what's going to happen? You're going to start to generate leads. And leads meaning it could be your followers, it probably people on Instagram, it could be people on your Facebook, here on YouTube, on your blog. So then you start collecting leads, and people always collecting leads using an autoresponder. So you want to build that email list. So you build that list over time. Again, with that email list, you want to provide value, you want to give them information. And people always say, what is value? Value could be you watch a YouTube video about how to, let's say, how to fix an iPhone. You can go on YouTube, you can go on Facebook and you can write a piece of content that shares what you learn. You could watch webinars. You could read a blog. You could go watch a podcast. Listen a podcast. So there's so many different ways how you can provide value. Now, people probably think I have a small YouTube channel and they're wondering, oh man, yeah, you have a YouTube channel, because they look at numbers. I have a small YouTube channel, but I'm crushing it on Facebook. That's where I do my marketing. I make a lot of money through Facebook, and I make a ton of money through Instagram as well, because that's my platform. That's where I go. But I like to come on YouTube to share value with people and to let people know how things work. So once you start to generate leads, the next thing you want to do, you want to start to follow up. Follow up with your customers. And follow up meaning that they're on your email list, they're on your followers, they're subscribers or whatever it is. You always want to follow up. You always want to engage with them. Let them know that you're still here. And the more you follow up with them and engage, whether through email or through what people are doing these days, Messenger, you can then connect with them. And over time, people are going to like you. And once you start follow up with them, what's going to happen? You're going to start to generate sales. And that's where you start making commissions, whether through your coaching consulting business, whether it's your events mastermind, or whatever it is that you want to, affiliate marketing, network marketing, or MLM. If you want to build a team in a network marketing company, stick with these 5 things. I'm telling you right now, because my wife, she loves online business. This is what she does. She started her own thing, and at first she was saying that she's not getting a lot of people, nobody's interacting with her, but now she's grown over time and she has created a huge empire because she has people who like her. She got people who know her and trust her, and eventually they want to do business with her. It's the same thing here with my business, because I do affiliate marketing, right? You build that list, you consistently follow up with them, you connect with them, you provide value, and eventually people will want to buy from you. So I hope these 5 tips help in you getting started with an online business. Remember, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from, and check out my other videos. If you also want to learn, check out my #1 recommendation in the first comment section if you want to start a successful online business, or if you want to start with affiliate marketing. So just check out the link down below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.